In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for better team and group scheduling. By the end, you'll know how to invite your teammates and build a polished group event that makes it simple for multiple people to book the same time slot. Start by opening Calendly and heading to the Admin Center. This is your command hub for managing people and permissions. Once you're there, select Invite a Teammate. You can add as many teammates as your plan allows, and this is the cleanest way to centralize scheduling across a team. Enter your teammates' work email addresses, type them carefully, and keep them professional. Use company addresses rather than personal ones to ensure access and security. If you're adding more than one person, separate them as prompted on screen so each invitation is sent correctly. Next, choose roles for each invitee. Assign the right level of access based on what they need to do. If someone will help manage availability, edit event types, or view organization-wide settings, give them more control. If they only need to host meetings, a more limited role keeps things simple and secure. When everything looks good, send the invites. Calendly will email each person with a link to join your organization. You'll see them appear as pending until they accept. Head back to the home area to set up your event. Click Create, then choose Group. Group events allow multiple invitees to reserve the same time, which is perfect for trainings, office hours, product demos, or any session where more than one person can attend at once. Give your event a clear, descriptive name. Think about what you'd want invitees to understand at a glance: purpose, audience, or format, so it's obvious what they're booking. Select the duration that fits your agenda. Be realistic about how much time you'll need to cover your content and answer questions. Shorter sessions often help with attendance. Longer ones are better for deep dives. Choose the location. Pick the conferencing tool your team actually uses, such as a video platform, phone call, or an in-person spot, so the join details are easy for attendees. If you rely on a specific integration, make sure it's connected ahead of time so links are generated automatically. Open the invitee limit setting and set the maximum number of people who can join each time slot. This controls capacity and helps maintain a good experience. When the limit is reached, that time will no longer be available. Finally, click Create to publish your group event. You'll get a shareable booking link you can send to your team or embed where people will find it. That's it. Your team scheduling just got a whole lot easier.